Do you want to learn JavaScript? But you don't know how you can use the JavaScript, where you can use it. No. So just go to your browser and with the right mouse click, press inspect, then go here, the console. Done. Then you can just start using JavaScript. Console.log in the world. Here we go. Enter. Now, if you don't have Chrome, you can go to Microsoft Edge. Do the same, inspect, go to console here, then this console.log, console.log, and go in the world. Boom, it works. Now, if you're using a phone, I will suggest some apps on the screen right now. So you can choose any one of the apps from here, or you can use it in your VS Code directly. Just download the extension Code Runner. Where is it? Where is it? Get a search for Code Runner. You are on pitching. Okay, this one. Okay, just download it and enable it. Then you'll have this icon right here. Just press it, and then the code will run. And as it wrote hello, he, console.log let data. Okay, so this is how you can use it. Now let's get started with some basic JavaScript. Now before that, you will have to download the Node.js. I guess that's what it's called. Now I'm gonna continue with VS Code. You guys can continue with the browser console here. You can use any browser that has this feature. Now, first of all, let's um, know the types of variables. Okay, first of all, we have integers. This is an integer. Now, what is this double slash? This just means it's a comment, means it won't be executed. It will be skipped by the compiler. Then next we have float. For float, it's something like this. You can put like that. So now before that, why am I putting this var? Var means variable. I'm defining a variable, and this is the name of the variable. Then we have bool is hot equals to false. Okay, in lowercase, all lowercase it will be. Now var is cold equals to true. Okay, so this is bool. You can either put true or false. Now next we have strings. For string, it is simple. You can put here name, Raju. So these are the types of variables. Variables. Now there are more types like array, object, and more. But these are the basic ones. Okay, there's not a. Okay. So next we have variable declaration. Okay. Now first of all, let's start off with constant. Constant. So in constant, and as e constant. So constant is something like this. Honor equals to Mohan Kumar. It's the name, random name. Now, what's the use of this constant? Now, if I just do console.log, now console.log means that you're gonna print or maybe say you're gonna output the value of some specific variable here. So here it is honor. Now if I put here honor, then I run it, it's gonna console log the honor, the name. This is Miss Mohan Kumar. Now, if I just change the name, if I want to change the name of the owner from Mohan Kumar to Mohan Gupta, okay, if I run it, now it's gonna show an error. It is type error assigned to constant variables. Now, what does that? That means that owner is a constant variable. You cannot change its value. Now, if you try to keep right here new constant and then owner, so it won't work because it's already defined. The owner is already defined and you're redefining it. It won't work. It's just gonna throw an error. This is the constant. Now, next we have var. variable where, let's say, mm, special no id. Let's just take on id here. Now if the id is something like that, okay, I'm gonna put in a string here, and then console dot log id. Okay, now if I run it, here we go, it console logged the id. Now in case of id, you can change the value. So 12314 AA. If I don't want to put the AA and change to BB, I can just do it. Now if you check, it changed the variable. Now that's the use of let. Next we have let. Okay, let, what do we call it? More name, just put like that. Uh, Mohan Ram Rohan. Okay, console dot log more name. Okay, I can run it. It has done the console log Rohan. Now you can also change the variable in let. Now you want to change it to Mohan. It works. Now what's the difference between this let and this sorry, this var and this let? Okay. So the difference is that you can change the type of variable it is. Okay. Now suppose this is a string right here, and then I can just change it to something else. First of all, let's try off with simply changing it. If I run it, it has just changed its value. Now it is an integer. Before it was a string. Let's try it with a bool. Now if I run it, it's just showed true. So that's the thing with var. Now in case of let, you cannot change the type of variable it is. Okay. Now suppose if I want to change it from a string to a integer, if I run it, now let, you cannot change it. More underscore name equals to 123. That's an error. More name has already been declared. Means you cannot redeclare the variable. Uh, Fair. Okay. Well, it shall work now. Yeah, that worked. Mohan Kumar, this. Rohan. So, okay, I was wrong at one point. Sorry for that. But yeah, you cannot redefine or I mean redeclare the variable. Redeclare the variable. Yeah, it worked. It changed to true here. Let me just undo it. Now, if we run it, it's gonna show an error again. So that's the difference. Okay. So that's your JavaScript. Thanks for watching.